I'm sitting on the side of the Renew by US Mattress Restored Plush Pillow Top. And as you can see, this side here, it's got very good side support. It's certainly handling my weight quite well. I'm not getting any kind of roll off. So if you do sit on your bed to put your shoes and socks on, or just sit on your bed as a seating edge, it's got a very nice solid edge. Also, the nice thing about a good side support is that it gives you the ability to utilize the whole sleeping surface of the mattress all the way to the edge. So if you do share your mattress with somebody else, you can sleep all the way to the edge and not have any kind of roll off. So it does give you that entire sleeping surface to be able to utilize. So that definitely has a very good edge to it. On my back, again, very, very nice. It's a very soft feel. As most pillow tops are softer than regular mattresses or non-pillow tops. Good contouring. I'm getting nice pressure relief off my lower back and my shoulders, but not getting the quicksand feel, so I'm still getting good support, but it definitely is very comfortable on my back. So if you're of a smaller stature and you sleep on your back, I think you'd find this pretty comfortable. On my side, again, very comfortable. I'm not getting really any pressure on my hip or my shoulder. Getting good contouring, so it's kind of filling in the gaps between. Again, a nice softer feel, so if you're looking for a softer mattress, this is definitely going to be a good choice. And just a really nice, soft pillow top feel. So if you do sleep on your side, I can definitely recommend this mattress. So overall, I definitely can recommend this mattress to anybody who sleeps on their side or their back. It's going to be a very comfortable mattress, certainly on the softer side. If you do sleep on your stomach though, I would say you might want to look at something a little bit firmer, but if you're a back or side sleeper, I would highly recommend this mattress.
We hope you found this video helpful, but if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-455-1052. Or you can leave us a message on this video. We'd love to hear from you. Or if you'd like, during normal business hours, you can speak with a member of our chat team.